today we're making the most insane bone marrow toast. So let's do it. So the first step for this unbelievable snack, you want to turn on your oven and preheat to 180 degrees. And the star of the show today, some lovely bone marrow. Most butchers will give you a couple of marrow bones for free. It tastes absolutely amazing. You can use it in so many different dishes, but this is one of my personal favorites. So pop your marrow bones into a roasting tray and you want to stick those into the oven, and they take about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know the marrow's done when it starts to bubble away a little bit and it'll be super soft. So while the marrow's roasting, we can prepare our bread. So you want to take a really nice gutsy sourdough loaf and you want to cut your bread about 1 inch thick roughly. And once your bread is sliced up, you want to stick that to one side, ready to go. We do want to be quite quick. And after 20-25 minutes or so, the marrow will be ready. So get that out of the oven and you want to turn off your oven and turn on the grill and stick in your bread. And this will obviously just take a few minutes to toast. And once your bread is perfectly toasted and golden brown, take that out from under the grill, pop your toast onto a plate or a chopping board, and you want to use a teaspoon or a knife to scoop out all of that lovely delicious marrow. And you want to spread the marrow onto the toast fairly liberally, and it's really important to finish this one with a little pinch of sea salt. And there you have the most insane indulgent snack. So all that's left to do is to get stuck in, and I'll see you next time.